Introducing the Oster Hand Mixer with HeatSoft technology. With Oster Hand Mixer, there's no wait to bake. Innovative HeatSoft technology allows you to soften cold butter while mixing in one simple step. By using gentle, warm air, the Oster Hand Mixer quickly brings cold butter to room temperature. The key to fluffier results is using room temperature butter. Using cold or melted butter can affect the quality of your baked good. Using melted butter results in confections that are too flat and deflated, but soft, room temperature butter is just right for making fluffy baked goods. And now you can do it faster with the power of HeatSoft technology. The Oster Hand Mixer softens butter 12 times faster, so there's no wait to bake. The versatile 7-speed control allows you to handle any type of batter, and the burst of power button gives you the extra boost needed when tackling especially thick batters. An easy eject button makes for quick and convenient cleanup, and the removable magnetic nozzle is dishwasher safe. Elevate your baking with the Oster Hand Mixer with HeatSoft technology.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and this is Cuisinart's Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer with storage case. The great thing about this is it has 220 watts of power. It has a smooth start feature, which helps eliminate splattering while you're mixing. It has a 1-step power switch right here. It has 9 speeds. It comes with this sturdy snap-on storage case which holds the hand mixer as well as all of the accessories. It comes with 2 beaters, a whisk, 2 dough hooks, and a spatula. You could just make so many different things with this hand mixer, from cookies to brownies to breads with the dough hooks, as well as cakes. One of the greater features of this is that it has a swivel cord. It can swivel from right to left for right-handed and left-handed use, and it sits flat down like that. It also has an eject button for the beaters right here, and they come right out, and you store them into your case. If you love to bake, this is definitely an item that you should have on your countertops.
Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. Our eclectic stand mixer fuses all metal durability with over a century of mixing innovation. Planetary mixing action spins the mixing head as it rotates completely inside the bowl, removing the need to stop and scrape the sides. This revolutionary action provides superior mixing compared to traditional 2-beater stand mixers. A powerful 400-watt motor handles everything from simple mixing to the thickest cookie dough, and it can also whip cream in no time. 12 settings give you maximum versatility and precise control at every speed. Adding ingredients while preparing a recipe is easy. The head tilts up out of the way for bowl access, or you can use the pouring shield to add ingredients. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still while in use, and the shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. The non-stick flat beater, dough hook, whisk, and the stainless steel 4.5 quart mixing bowl are all dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. This mixer is available in a variety of colors, so you can pick one that suits your personal style. This mixer combines the built-to-last metal construction of the past with the look of today to bring lasting quality and style to your kitchen. Now that's good thinking.